Today I'm going to unboxing Hole Pro Hole Saw model Power X-148, and it can cut drywall hole and wood, and it can save it. It have a dust ball in it. It can save a dust and have a dust shield on it, and some instruction manual how to use it. Made in Taiwan. And inch and 7/8 hole to maximum 6-inch hole cutting. Okay, let's see what's inside. Phone is nothing. Okay, so it has a hard carrying case, very nice. It's a model X-148 twin blades adjustable round hole cutter, and it's very nice. It can cut a maximum 6-inch hole, and new pad. Some, let's see, on side of nothing. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so it's come with the dust shield, hole cutters, and 2 Allen keys and 2 extra blades, and okay. Okay, so dust ball, instruction manuals, hole cutters. If we need to, then we have 2 Allen keys for one use of for adjuster length, diameter, and one use for blade change. 2 different sizes. It is very solid, and also it has a dimension on here. So what's the dimension you wanna set on it? One side. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so this is fit like this. This is work like this. It's very nice, smooth, and it has a rubber resist ring, and doesn't come. It's very soft. Doesn't come dust through ring, and it's a very small size and nice cutting for drywall holes for electrician, and as well for plywood sheets. Some instruction manuals, so setups, how to use it like. Thank you so much for watching us, and for more watch good video modern tech tool, please subscribe us. Thank you.